Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hoy vamos a aprender de subjuntivo, ¿vale? Subjunctive with impersonal expression and subjunctive with verbs of desire, okay? Verbs of desire, okay? When you want to say, I want that somebody else to do something, okay? To have something, you know? And also impersonal expression is, okay, when you want to say something like, it's good that my sister, for example, study more, okay, it's better or it's desirable that my favorite team wins the game, something like that, okay. And you see this conjugation in subjunctive. Por ejemplo, visitar, visité, visites, visité, visitemos, visites, visiten. Aprender, aprenda, aprendas, aprenda. Aprendamos, aprendáis, aprendan. Vivir, viva, vivas, viva. Vivamos, viváis, vivan. Now, I don't go over all of these conjugations, okay, because we have limited time. But I want you to practice by yourself, reading textbook, looking at this PowerPoint presentation, okay. Por ejemplo, okay, ¿cómo se dice comer en subjuntivo? Sujeto es yo. ¿Cómo se dice? Es coma. Tú escribir, escribas. Nosotros hablar, habremos, ¿no? Ellos comprender, comprendan. ¿Qué? Tengo, tengas, tenga. Que tenga, tengas, tenga. Conozca, conozcas, conozca. Haga, hagas, haga. So basically, conjugation of subjunctive is the same as the command that we have just covered. No? Formal command. Okay. So tener. Okay. What's your present form? Yo tengo. No? Then you get rid of the last letter and put a, asa, amosais, am. If it's er verb, ir verb, you put a, asa, amosais, am. No? Conocer, yo conozco, get rid of o, conozca, conozcas, conozca, conozcamos, conozcáis, conozcam. Hacer, yo hago, get rid of o, haga, hagas, haga, hagamos, hagáis, hagan. ¿Vale? And I put a full version too in this PowerPoint presentation. Okay, ¿cómo se dice? Yo traducir. Traduzca, tú pedir, pidas, nosotros, pongamos, ellos traer, traigan, ¿no? Okay, and again, I don't go over all of these, but one thing you have to memorize, okay? You have to know if it's AR verb, it's gonna be ESE, MOSSM. ER verb, IR verb, okay, as I showed, okay? As a, amosais, am, okay? That's a basic rule. And there's a irregular form. De, demos, deis, dem. Estes, estemos, estéis, estem. Haya, hayas, haya, hayamos, hayáis, hayan. Vaya, sepa, sea. No? And if you see a lot of dots here, this is abbreviated version, okay, that I invented, okay. I thought this is easier, but If you prefer this way, this is the way textbook shows. So if you prefer this way, just fine. Use this way. Okay, subjunctive form. Okay, then since we have limited time, I'm going to explain how to use the subjunctive. So those contexts we are going to learn in which you can use subjunctive. Okay, impersonal expression with there is a change of subject. Vamos a ver. Es imposible que pasemos la frontera sin pasaporte. Es imposible que pasemos la frontera sin pasaporte. Voy a traducirlo aquí. It's impossible that we pass the border without passport. Now, if you want to say it's impossible to pass the border without passport, you don't have to think about subjunctive. You can just say es imposible pasar la frontera sin pasaporte. But if we want to say it's impossible that we pass the border without passport, then you have to think about subjunctive, okay? You have to conjugate this verb of second subject, okay? We pass into subjunctive. Pasemos. No, this is subjunctive. Okay, indicative is pasamos. Okay? Indicative is just a non-subjunctive. Okay, you don't have to think too much. Indicative, non-subjunctive. Es necesario que compres un plano de la ciudad. It's necessary that you buy city map. Okay, so if you want to say it's necessary to buy the map, you don't have to think about subjunctive. Es necesario comprar un plano de la ciudad, ¿no? But if you want to say it's necessary that you buy, no? It's necessary that you buy, then compress, to compress. Okay, you have to put subjunctive here. Okay, compress. This is subjunctive. Indicative is compras. Es recomendable que hagamos la tarea. It's recommendable that we do the homework. No? Hagamos. Again, impersonal expression. It's impossible. It's necessary. It's recommendable. No, it's good. It's bad. No, it's desirable. Es ojalá que, por ejemplo, que es bueno, es malo, que es mejor. No, it's better. And you see the specific subject when there's a change of subject or when there is a specific subject on the second clause. Kind of like this. It's recommendable that we do the homework. ¿Ok? Ok, vamos a ver, por ejemplo, es necesario que ustedes, what do you put here? Saber, okay, you can just look at the chart that we just covered and put subjunctive, okay? Ustedes, saber, what do you put? Esto es, sepan, ¿vale? Es mejor que, sorry, lleguen, ¿no? Temprano. Okay. Now you can use the conjugation chart that I put here, but in fact, if you go to website, yeah, I recommend to you, okay, wordreference.com, no? Wordreference.com, okay, and there is a section where you can click conjugator, conjugator. Okay, just a moment. Okay, just a moment. Un momento, por favor. Yeah, yes. Yeah, I think you read the conjugator. Yeah. If you just click this one, you can find the conjugation of any verb. Okay. Try to use it. Okay. Then rest of them, okay, you can just do it by yourself. Please do it by yourself. I'm not supposed to answer all the questions. Okay. Another use of subjunctive, ¿no? Subjuntivo con el verbo de deseo influencia. Okay. Okay. When you show the desire or when somebody wants to influence somebody, okay, you use subjunctive. Yo espero que nade más, ¿no? Por ejemplo, I wish that you swim more. Okay, excuse me. I wish that she swim more. Mis hijos piden que hagamos más ejercicio. My sons ask that we do more exercise. Koji recomienda que no comamos hibachi. Koji recommends that we don't eat hibachi. No? So there's a verb of desire or influence. Okay, I want that she swim more. Okay, my son asks that we do more exercise. No, Koji recommenda que no comamos hibachi. Koji recommends that we don't eat hibachi. Okay, so the important point here is we see two different subjects. Okay, yo espero. I want that she swim more. Okay, so there's a change of subject. Okay, then for the second subject, you have to put subjunctive. Okay, nade. This is subjunctive. Indicative is nada. No? Hagamos. This is subjunctive. Indicative is hacemos. Hagamos subjunctive. ¿No? Okay. Por eso vamos a ver algunos otros ejemplos. Ellos sugieren que vayamos a la reunión. They suggest that we go to the meeting. Espero que no tengan problemas con los políticos. I hope they won't have any problem with the politicians. No? So there's a verb of influence or desire. I wish, they suggest. Necesitamos un presidente que apoye nuestra causa. We need a president who will support our cause. Okay, this is another use of subjunctive. Okay, this is something I have to explain. We need the president who support our cause. No? We need a president who will support our cause. Now, if you describe this unspecific person or person that we don't know if he or she exists, then for this person, when you want to describe this person with verb, you have to use subjunctive. Okay, we need president who support our cause. Okay, we don't know if this president exists or not, right? If we say we need a president, okay, so okay, in this case, you have to use subjunctive. Okay? Okay, vamos a ver entonces. This one I'm going to explain you later. For now, you don't have to know. Okay? Sus padres recomiendan que, vamos a hacer conocer. How do you conjugate? Yo conozco. Okay? Okay, excuse me. We have to read the instruction. Laura vive en los Estados Unidos. Va El Salvador para pasar el verano con sus abuelos. Completa las oraciones con la forma apropiada del subjuntivo de los verbos entre paréntesis. So, Laura is going to El Salvador, no? Okay, to spend the summer. Okay, so somebody is recommending, okay, Laura to do something in El Salvador. So subject is going to be Laura, no? Por ejemplo, sus padres recomiendan que conocer. First of all, you have to know yo present. Conocer, yo present. Conozco. Okay. Then you have to put a subjunctive here. Laura conozca. Y uno más, ¿ok? Su profesor de español espera que mejorar su vocabulario. Her professor, Spanish professor, wants that she get better in vocabulary. Mejorar, mejorar. Okay, okay, how do you conjugate this? If this is a verb, you just put opposite vowel. Mejore. ¿Vale? Okay, I want you to do all of them. Okay, so you can do better on quiz. Okay, I want you to answer by yourself. Okay, but basically, okay, you just have to conjugate into subjunctive. ¿Vale? Okay, ya no tenemos tiempo. Tengo que terminar. ¿Vale? Okay, if you have any question, please just ask me through email. Si tienes pregunta, por favor, puedes pedirme, puedes preguntarme a través de email, ¿vale? Adiós.